obtaining other gates or designing other gates using NAND gates only. In this category, we first design a NOT gate using NAND gate only. Okay. For this conversion, we have to start with the function NOT, where NOT is represented as in its Boolean expression y is equals to a bar. So we can write it like this, a bar, and using the rule that a dot a is equals to a, so we can write this a as a dot a. This is nothing but this is similar to the NAND gate with two inputs with same variable. Okay, so this will result in a dot a bar, and that is nothing but that is a bar. Or you can also design it like this. This is your NAND gate where a is the input and here a bar. This is your NAND as NOT. Okay. Second, OR gate. OR gate using NAND gate only. Now again start with the Boolean expression for OR gate, that is y is equals to a plus b. So take 2 times bar here. You can also write it like this, a plus b bar with additional bar. Using De Morgan's theorem, or De Morgan's law, this becomes y is equals to a bar dot b bar with bar. Okay, solve this internal bar first. So here we can write this as a dot a bar b dot b bar with bar. Okay, so in this way the complete circuit is like this. That is, first you have to design a NOT gate for a bar. This is your a bar, and second you have to use another NAND gate as NOT gate for achieving b bar, and then finally you have to give the outputs of these two gates to another gate that results in y is equals to a plus b. Third, AND gate using NAND gate only. Here again start with the function AND gate, that is y is equals to a dot b. taking 2 times bar here, the results will remain same. So it's very simple here. This is an internal NAND gate. So we have to design a first that will results A dot B bar, that is one NAND gate, and it is to be inverted once again. So we will get A dot B double bar, and that is nothing but Y is equals to A dot B. Now let's see how can we design a NOR gate with using NAND gate. NOR gate using NAND gate. Again the same rule, you have to start with this NOR gate. NOR gate function, Boolean function is written like this, that is Boolean expression of NOR gate is Y is equals to A plus B bar. Okay. If we take two times bar of this NOR gate like this and solving the internal one using De Morgan's theorem, then we get this A dot B bar with this. So the final result is this one, that is A, this is the inverter for A bar, this is the inverter for B bar, and then we have to implement this inversion. Okay, so in this way we will get A bar B bar bar. So again we have to take its inversion, and this is nothing but Y is equals to A plus B bar. Now XOR gate using NAND gate only. Again the rule will remain same. Start with the functionality of XOR gate, that is Y is equals to A bar B plus A B bar, taking 2 times bar, A bar B plus A B bar bar, and then another bar. Okay, solve the internal bar using De Morgan's theorem. We get A bar B bar dot A B bar bar with the whole bar. Okay, now the conversion is clear here. So we have to design it like this, that is, this is your A, and here we get A bar, this is for B, we get here B bar. First implement A bar multiply B bar, that is A bar B bar. Okay, so take another gate and here we have to insert b, so that the first term results, that is a b bar. Second is to be generated using another NAND gate that will result in a b bar whole bar, and then finally we have to take the NAND gate output, that is a bar b bar dot a b bar bar this bar, and that results in a XOR b. Now the last one, that is XNOR gate using NAND gate only. So again start with this NOR gate, that is y is equals to a bar a b plus a bar b bar, take 2 times bar, and solve the internal one, okay, so that we get a b bar plus a bar b bar, sorry, using De Morgan's theorem we have to solve it. So a bar b bar bar and this bar, now it is converted into NAND gate expression. So the implementation using NAND gate will be like this. This is a bar, okay, and here b bar. So here a b bar and next is that is a bar dot b bar whole bar, and then finally you have to add these two outputs, that is a b bar dot a bar b bar whole bar with another bar, and that results in a b plus a bar b bar, that is a XNOR b.